responds almost instantly with hydration and balance. The moment it reaches your mouth, its natural electrolytes begin working to rehydrate your cells more efficiently than plain water. As it travels to your stomach, coconut water is absorbed quickly, helping restore fluids and minerals like potassium, sodium, and magnesium. These electrolytes support muscle function, nerve signals, and heart rhythm, which is why coconut water often makes you feel refreshed and energized. As it enters your bloodstream, it helps regulate blood pressure and supports healthy circulation. Your kidneys benefit too, as coconut water encourages gentle detoxification by improving urine flow. Throughout this process, your body absorbs a clean source of hydration that cools, replenishes, and restores balance from the inside out, making coconut water a natural and refreshing drink you should definitely know about.